Today we're making a Panang style curry. I doubt that this is traditional in any way because it's just something I like to throw together. But it's based on a Panang curry paste and it clocks in at 581 calories per portion, 49 grams of proteins, 60 grams of carbs and 15 grams of fat. And to start off, like most woks, we're just gonna cut up some chicken and we're gonna marinate that in some soy sauce, baking soda and MSG. So, fairly thin slices. We're gonna go for 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and also 1 teaspoon of MSG. I usually eyeball this, since it doesn't really affect the macros. I think that's fine. If you add too much baking soda, the chicken will basically fall apart when you wok it. We're gonna mix all of that together and throw it in the fridge for roughly 1 hour. To this we're gonna eat 65 grams of rice, and we're also gonna need 6 grams of cornstarch that we're gonna use to thicken our sauce. And our sauce is based on fish sauce, and we're gonna go for 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. And then to that we need to add some sweetness, so we're gonna add 6 grams of sugar, or basically 1 teaspoon. And then, as usual, I'm lazy boiling my rice. I just go for a big pot of water, throw in the rice and test when it's done and just drain the water. And our sauce is also based on coconut milk, and I'm using a very low fat kind. This is 8% fat. I like to mix my fish sauce into this. You can just throw it in the frying pan and wok it and fry it a bit. I haven't really noticed any difference by doing so. So this is usually how I do it. Once our wok is hot, we're just gonna add some low-calorie cooking spray in with our chicken and stir fry that until they're done, basically. And as you probably can tell, this isn't difficult at all. It's super easy and very low calorie. I haven't added any vegetables or anything, but if you want to, feel free. In with our cocoa milk, because I totally forgot that this was a Panang Curry dish, meaning that I forgot the Panang Curry paste, at least until I was almost done and thought something looked off. So, you can add the Panang Curry paste before you add the coconut milk, and that's usually what I do, and fry it a bit. But it worked fine just adding curry paste after the coconut milk as well. So, just stir that together and mix everything. And I'm adding basically 1 tablespoon, or roughly 12 grams. And mine is quite strong, so if you don't like spicy food, you can add some less. If you like spicy food a lot, add some more. And all we need to do now is thicken up our sauce. So this is a very, very quick and easy meal. Just add some water to your cornstarch, stir that together and then mix that in your wok. And basically that's it. This basically takes 10 minutes and has great macros. That's it. Super easy, low calorie, not any vegetables or anything, but sometimes that's fine too. Then we're just gonna drain our rice. I like to make a little dent in the center for our Panang curry and then just in with our curry. And that's it. I think this is really nice. It's, as I said, great in macros, and I hope you try it. And if you do, I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.